At the heart of Africa beats an unwavering passion for change and progress. While the region is brimming with potential and richness, we cannot ignore the challenges it faces, especially in the realm of health. Health is the foundation of human development. However, in many parts of Africa, health issues have left a profound mark on people's lives and the prosperity of the region. Health problems not only impact physical well-being but also have significant economic, emotional, and social repercussions. The economic burden of medical treatments can be overwhelming. Many families are forced to allocate a significant portion of their income to medical care, limiting their opportunities for investment and savings. In Africa, access to health care is a critical challenge. More than 50% of the population lacks access to basic medical services. The lack of proper medical infrastructure and resources contributes to the spread of preventable and treatable diseases. In addition to the financial impact, health problems can cause emotional harm. The constant battle against diseases can undermine people's confidence and motivation to plan for a better future. The disease burden in Africa is disproportionately high. Malaria, HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis, and waterborne diseases like cholera remain serious issues in the region. These diseases not only affect physical health but also undermine quality of life and hope for a better future. Amid these challenges, inspiring stories of individuals who have overcome health adversities and found the strength to pursue their dreams emerge. Entrepreneurship is a powerful tool to turn these challenges into opportunities. African entrepreneurs are proving that making a difference is possible despite the obstacles. Many African entrepreneurs are addressing health challenges from various angles. For instance, some are creating technological solutions for remote healthcare, reaching out to distant communities. Others are developing low-cost products to treat common diseases, such as water filters and insecticide-treated bed nets. Some good examples are Kathy Koo in Uganda or Chujio Ceramics in Kenya with Tier project of ceramic water filters. A ceramic filter is extremely easy to manufacture in the African environment, very easy to use. The cost is less than $20 and due to its consistency it guarantees that people can drink water free of at least the most common bacteria such as salmonella and cholera. They also have pieces of activated carbon and colloidal silver that help fight other even smaller microorganisms. A very simple but powerful solution that saves the lives of millions of people on the continent. Joan Nalyabega in Uganda leads a revolutionary project. When she was a child, she almost died of malaria. She was lucky that thousands of children in Africa do not have. She survived, and with that scar on her heart, when she grew up, she looked for a solution. Today, her project is a social business that produces soaps with repellents for mosquitoes, a product that we use daily, a basic necessity but at the same time helps people to scare away this dangerous insect. The simplest solutions can be incredibly powerful and creative. In the West, mosquito repellent is one more item, an accessory that, not being a basic need that debates between life and death, is very expensive. But Joan Nalyabega, understanding the economic and ecological reality of her country, she has developed an incredibly useful product. The secret of any venture is to find a need and connect it with a solution. The most successful entrepreneurs are those who best understand the need, usually very local needs that even they themselves have experienced. This is how some have founded innovative businesses in the healthcare sector, addressing local needs and providing affordable and accessible solutions. Entrepreneurs are also tackling the lack of access to medication through initiatives like community pharmacies and local manufacture of generic drugs. This not only reduces costs but also creates jobs and strengthens the local economy. Some good examples are Abimbola Adebakin, a Nigerian entrepreneur with a track record of multiple ventures, devised a technology-driven remedy for this challenge. She initiated My Medicines, an internet-based platform facilitating the procurement of medicines in Nigeria. This innovative service unites authorized pharmacies with individuals seeking reasonably priced, top-notch medications. By sourcing medications from various pharmacies across the country, this platform adeptly addresses issues related to accessibility and convenience for users, all while upholding the stringent safety standards of pharmaceuticals. In Uganda, Angela Kyomugisha, a social entrepreneur, is a co-founder of Caro Health, an initiative that introduces telehealth-equipped container clinics to remote and peri-urban communities. These clinics, operated by enterprising female nurses and powered by solar panels, aim to bridge the healthcare gap in underserved areas. Kyomugisha highlights factors such as social class, race, gender identity, and geographical location often exclude substantial segments of the population from accessing even the most fundamental healthcare services due to the absence of a support system and financial resources for medical attention. In Uganda, a significant proportion of the populace falls into this category. Drawing from her background in the financial sector, Kyomugisha chose to channel her financial expertise towards tackling this issue. Community also plays an essential role. Mutual support and collaboration allow entrepreneurs to grow stronger and overcome challenges together. Entrepreneurial networks and local organizations are creating platforms for knowledge and resource exchange. These spaces foster collaboration and joint learning, driving the development of more effective and sustainable solutions. Every step forward is a triumph over adversity. Each new business created contributes not only to the economy, but also inspires others to follow the same path. On this journey toward a more prosperous Africa, let's remember that even in the darkest times, determination and the entrepreneurial spirit can light the way to a better future. Remember, only by doing this we will create the fairer and more prosperous Africa we dream with. Only by acting like this we can grow gold in Africa. If you liked the video, don't forget to push the like button, share it, write a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, and you greatly help us continue to creating content like this. We send you a big hug. Bye-bye.